Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody emailed me a good question. I don't ever use it, but the smart drawing tool is pretty cool. You can draw an ellipse and it will make a ellipse. You know, you can draw a triangle just rough and it'll draw a triangle. But the lag is 1 second. So if you go and when you finish drawing, it takes 1 second. He wants to cut that down. He's watching a video and he sent me the video, and the video's 5 years old. So things have changed in Corel Draw. If I go Control J, it opens up this Corel Draw mode. The easiest way to do it, to change this, is go to Tools, Options, and Tools, and go down to Smart Drawing Tool, and you can see it's set on 1 second. I think you can only go as high as 2, but you could go down to, well, I think you have to go like to 0.2 of a second. So let's say, okay. Now I don't draw with this, but evidently somebody that does and they're good at it, it could be faster. And so it might help some more people than I thought it would. It is, well, you've got to close the gap to make a circle, and you've got to, your hand movement has to be pretty good. But it can do a lot, but I don't really see the advantage to it. But change is inevitable with Corel Draw, and they keep changing stuff. So Control J kind of gets you in the ballpark, but Tools underneath there, and you go right here to Tools, and then there it is right there. And I'm going to set mine back, even though I don't ever use it. And that's how easy it is to set. Just set it on 1 minute or 1 second and then hit OK and it's set. Anyway, I hope that answered that gentleman's question, and thank you for watching.